Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and today's video is going to be about the extrude tool and I've done several videos on the extrude tool, but this is going to be a little bit different, show you how to take like a letter or a number and turn it into, from a 2D to a 3D. So we're going to make this like this, let's make this thing pink. And let's go ahead and give it an outline by right-clicking the outline so it'll make it work better. But what's a little bit different about this video is we're going to actually change the extrude color. And right up here, you can change the extrude color. So we'll go right here, click on that and see it's the same color. We're going to make it maybe that light pink, and then just X that out, and then you got your extrude color. You can X this out and then actually get your rotation, and then you could rotate it. And it's kind of neat to be able to, you know, in videos before I've taken and then made the extrude color whatever color I wanted to. And also you can, after you've got it turned about the way you want, you can always make the extrude not so thick of an extrusion by doing that right there. Then, if you have it all selected, you can go to Object and break the extrude apart. I've got mine set on 5 inches. I'm going to nudge the extrude over so it's a group of extrusions. I'm going to take my interactive field tool and I'm just going to kind of grab the extrusion and put it there. And it's going from that to white. So we're going to make that go from that color to darker color. And then of course you can always change this. Now to get that other part a little darker, and maybe I'm a little bit too dark up front, and you could always double click on there and then add, you know, a little bit more color to the middle if you don't think it's right. And then you can always move that out and that back, and you get your little bit of darkness. And not every piece doesn't have to be the same anyway, but if you move this out, that looks pretty good. And then just get out of that and nudge it back over, and now you've got a 3D looking piece. Now we could go further and let's nudge it over again, and we could go to Object and hopefully ungroup it, and then we could do this individual piece if we didn't like the way it came out with the interactive fill tool. Now make sure you have, whoop, didn't mean to do that. Make sure you have this one selected when you do this, and when we grab the interactive fill tool, we'll bring this in closer to here. See, give it a little bit of lightness. We could actually maybe take that one away, and it's just going to give it a different look. And then of course select them all to nudge them back over. Pretty cool effect, and you can always change the color of your main color after that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.